COVID-19 total tally in Manipur has surged to 71 today after 9 more cases were recorded in the state. Now the number of active cases stand at 60 after 11 have been recovered and discharged in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Sunday that it is important to be even more vigilant as major chunk of economy has opened up. In his monthly radio address, Mann Ki Baat, he said that people of the country must follow all the precautions without any laxity. India is valiantly fighting the battle against coronavirus with collective efforts. Looking at the world, we realize how big is the achievement of Indians, PM Modi said. As Lockdown 4 comes to an end today, the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued new guidelines for the 5th phase of lockdown, which is slated to begin from tomorrow, 1st June. According to new guidelines, all activities outside containment zones have been allowed to resume in a phased manner from 1st June. The guidelines will come into effect from 1st June and will be effective till 30th June. In the biggest jump in coronavirus cases yet, India has reported 8,380 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the country's total count to 1.82 lakh as of this morning. According to the latest data released by the Union Health Ministry, India's death toll has crossed 5,000 as 193 more people succumbed to the disease. India's death toll now has mounted to 5,164. Sons of Kangleipak organized a blood donation camp at RIMS, Imphal today in collaboration with RIMS Blood Bank. Around 35 people donated blood during the camp. General Secretary of Sons of Kangleipak, Uday Kuman, said that the blood donation camp was held to meet the shortage of blood in blood banks amid the coronavirus-induced lockdown. A team of Andhra police station arrested 5 persons involved in illegal mining of sand from Thobal River last afternoon. The team also seized 2 sand-loaded trucks. They were later produced before the duty magistrate who released them on bail. Boroland University of Assam's Kokrachhar has developed a specialized fungal powder from a super mushroom known as Cordyceps militaris to help people boost immunity during the COVID-19 pandemic, as per a media report. It was prepared by freezing. US President Donald Trump has said he will postpone this year's G7 summit and invite leaders of other countries to participate in talks, according to media reports. The G7 group, which the US hosts this year, includes Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the UK. President Trump has said he doesn't feel that it properly represents what's going on in the world. The European Union has called on the US to reconsider its decision to terminate its relationship with the World Health Organization, which President Donald Trump has accused of being too differential to China. According to media reports, in joint statement from European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and the bloc's chief foreign envoy, Joseph Borrell, yesterday stated global cooperation and solidarity through multilateral efforts are the only effective and viable avenues to win this battle the world is facing.